The Explore 1 1200 times microscope offers an impressive magnification range from 300 to 1200 times and gives young scientists the tools they need to reveal the hidden details of their world. Outfitted with a full range of collection tools, this beginner compound scope has quality optics that consist of a 40 times magnification eyepiece and a rotating turret of 3 objective lenses with 300, 600, and 1200 times magnification. The set also includes color filters to give specimens extra definition when needed, and a projection eyepiece that allows users to trace images or share their findings with multiple viewers at the same time. It also comes with an impressive collection of prepping tools, prepared in blank slides, a shrimp hatchery, and instructions on how to conduct your own investigations with the Explore 1 1200 times microscope.